In this Excel beginners tutorial, I'm going to show you insert comment, how to sort, change the row height and column width, and how to conditional formatting. Welcome to the Fluent tutorial. This is my follow-up video from the beginners Excel tutorial. If you are first beginner in the Excel, you can click my first video link in given below, or you can click up this card and get back this video. In here, inserting comment. Comments mean it's the reminder for the worksheet. I have the file, I have the data sheet. Here I'm going to add some reminder or comment here. I want to add this name, this person. We have to pay something, or you have to remain something for this person. You can right click here, make it insert comment. You can make the reminder here, and you can type something you want to pay or something. I just type here and click outside. If you check the list next time, it will open, but you can't change this one like this. If you want to change edit, you can right click here, make it edit comment, and you can edit the comment. Paid before 10th. Okay, I added the comment. If you want to delete the comment, you can right click here, you can delete the comment. I will add the comment here, right click, insert comment, and you can type anything. Just type here, and if you want to change, right click, edit comment. You can make the size or anything, and you can right click here and format comment. Click the format comment, and you can change the font size, font color, and bold, italic, underlines like that. And you can change the color and lines. You can change the fill color. I click OK. You can make the changes. The next one, I will show you how to change the shorts. I click here. I will type some numbers here. Like this, and I'm going to change the short. Select the range, and I can make the short here short. You can make the short A to Z, or you can make Z to A, large to small, or small to large. You can select this one, and you can go to the data also, same, A to Z, Z to A. And the another thing, if you type like this, the table, if you want to change the short, I'm going to short the basic salary. You can't select this, and you can't make like this. If you click this one, you can't change like that. Press undo. You have to select all the table and make the short here, custom short here. And here you can short by, use the short by. I'm going to use short by basic salary and value. You can change small to large or large to small. I'm going to press small to large. Okay, like this. Or you can short by name. Click here, and you can press the name. Click OK. You can press the name. Or you can press short by department. Click here. I'm going to press the department. Okay, and short by department. Okay, the next one, I'm going to show you change the row height and column width. The first video, I'm going to show you how to change the row height, column width like this. You can make the row height, column width here, and you can change the row height like this. In here, I'm going to show you how to change it the same size. And give the value and change the row height and column width. I want to select the whole table, and I want to change the home. Click here and change the format and row height. You can press the row height. You can type the value. I want to type 15. Okay, you can change the row height 15. Or if you want to change the more height, row height, I want to 20. And if you want to change the column width, at the same size. I want to click here and column width, I want to change 12 like this. Okay, if you want to change this row height, you can arrange it individually. In here, I'm going to make this employment number column little bit smaller like this, and I want to wrap this text here. Wrap text. If you make the wrap text, it's break. Or you can make this basic salary also, and this one here. If you click the wrap text, if you remove, it's going like this, and you can change the wrap text. Next, I'm going to show you how to conditional format the columns or rows. In here, I'm going to type on new values. Click here, or I'm going to make this one. Take this one and copy, paste here, and I'm going to change the values. Some values here: 100, 50, like this. And I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select this one and conditional formatting. You can make conditionally color like this, a bar types, or conditional colors. The lowest value is gonna red color and upper value is gonna green color. Like this, and you can do with the icons. This, or you can click conditional formatting. You can give a color the greater than value. Greater than, I'm going to give 350, greater than 350, custom format, and click the fill color here, red color, and you can make the font color also. I'm going to make the yellow color font. Click OK. And conditional formatting, highlight the cell rules. You can click the less than 150, custom format, fill, blue color. Okay, and conditional formatting, I can press the between also, between 200 and 300. I'll click the custom format, green color. Okay, and press the OK. Do you have any comment or suggestion? Put it down in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. You can learn the Excel step by step, and you can learn more softwares in this channel. Thank you for watching.